Lesson 176. Review of the lessons 161 and 162.
Hi there. Ready for the next 2 ideas from the 5th review period of our Course in Miracles video series? Here's what we will be reviewing today for Lesson 176.
Lesson 161. Give me your blessing, Holy Son of God.
Lesson 162. I am as God created me.
Let's quickly recall the main idea that all these lessons from this review period circle around.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
With that in our hearts, let's delve into today's 2 ideas.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
Give me your blessing, Holy Son of God.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
I am as God created me.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
Now, let's transform this into a brief yet deep meditation. Remember, words are simply tools. They point us in the right direction, but our faith should reside in the experience that comes from our practice and in the state of consciousness we're trying to attain and tap into. Ready to begin? Take a big, deep breath. Close your eyes and journey inward. Move beyond your surface thoughts and dive deep into your other mind, the one that is one with God. You are here, you are now. And right here and right now, softly repeat to yourself.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
Offer your practice to God and listen to His voice. He's right here with you. If you stumble, He's there to support you. If you lose your way, He'll guide you to the right path. If you stray, He'll call you back.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
Give me your blessing, Holy Son of God.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
I am as God created me.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
Remember, you're not alone on this journey. The Holy Spirit, your internal teacher, your holy inner self, Jesus, however you want to call Him, is right there with you. He is always with you, and He speaks to you, reviewing these thoughts along with you.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
Give me your blessing, Holy Son of God.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
I am as God created me.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
You are His voice, His eyes, His feet, His hands. You're the means through which He brings salvation to the world. His self is your true self. Reach out to your brother and take their hand, for we're not meant to walk this path alone. Through your brother, God walks with you, and you walk with God. Our Father wishes His Son to be one with Him.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
And that's it for today's lesson. Start and end your day with the recurring idea of this review period.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
And remember to make quick practices like we just did throughout the day, every hour you're awake.
God is but love, and therefore so am I.
With today's review, we are reminded that our salvation lies in seeing the sinlessness and holiness in others. That's how we realize our own. We cannot realize that we are one with God without realizing that we are one with one another, even with the worst of our perceived enemies, even with the person we might most despise. Let's not judge, for judgment is not for us to make. Let's not judge our brothers, because we don't want to judge ourselves. Let's ask for blessings from our brothers, and we will replace fear and anger with love and forgiveness, aligning ourselves with the truth of our divine nature. This shift in perception will bring peace and healing to our relationships and to ourselves. Recognizing our divine nature will dispel illusions of sin, fear, and guilt. As we reflect on the thought that we are as God created us and invoke that state of mind that aligns with this thought, we will tap into the power to transform our minds, heal our bodies, and bring salvation to the world. By embracing and repeating these words, we affirm our holiness, unity with God, and the eternal truth of our being. This is something we are encouraged to integrate into our daily lives, leading to a deeper sense of peace, joy, and connection with all of creation. We are human, and of course, we make mistakes. Yet, at the spiritual level, we are still perfect and innocent, sinless as God created us. Do not let anybody, not even yourself trapped in ego consciousness, make you believe that you are less than that you are less than the perfect and sinless Son of God. Never forget that. Never forget it, not even when you're busy in your day-to-day activities.
Lesson 161. Give me your blessing, Holy Son of God.
Lesson 162. I am as God created me.
You're doing fantastic work. You should be proud of your commitment and the progress you've made thus far. So, keep going, and remember, we're not walking this path alone. See you tomorrow for another review lesson. Quick note before you go. Making these videos is a labor of love, but it's still financially challenging. If you've found value in what you've watched, please consider supporting with a donation. Even the humblest contribution means the world and ensures the continuation of these daily lessons. Thank you for your generosity.
Did you enjoy the video and find it helpful? Please give it a like and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We have a new lesson every day. And if you've been with us for a while, please consider supporting the channel. There's a lot of love behind these videos. Check out the video description for more details.